hello, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you can tell by the title of today's video, we are going to be doing another unboxing first impression of a fragrance. This is from the brand Gloss Moderne. It is from their Clean Luxury collection, and it is a clean luxury perfume oil. It is in the scent Universelle. This is what the packaging looks like, and with that you are getting 15 mLs or 0.5 fluid ounces, so it is perfect if you want to take this and sample it on a vacation, or if you travel a lot for work or just travel in general and you want something that is very small but is TSA compliant. This is definitely something that you can pack. This is a French brand, and this scent is said to transcend gender and to celebrate the brand's global vision of beauty. It radiates a luxurious richness and balance of strength and luminosity. Universelle is said to be an olfactive ode to modernity. I haven't even rolled it on and I already know that I like this. It smells very light, very powdery, very clean. This size retails at $87. However, if you subscribe and save, you can purchase it for $78.30. It has top notes of mandarin orange, sea salt, and bergamot, heart notes of iris, rose petals, aquatic floral, and dewy fruits, and finally base notes of cardamom, woody, oak moss, amber, and musk. This is really nice. The citrus and the musk come together so good. Very clean, very sexy. It's paraben-free, phthalate-free, sulfate-free, 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and sustainably packaged. If this is not big enough, if you just wanted to sample this out, there is a bigger size. They have the 100 ml bottle that does retail at $325. This is another fragrance that I could definitely wear running errands or even transitioning a day to night look. I'm a nurse in New York City, so I like to keep a fragrance in my work bag to get ready very quickly and head to my evening plan. I really like that. I definitely agree that this is very much a unisex fragrance. Oftentimes when that's said about a fragrance, I can't really see it, but I definitely see it with this. And I think depending on who wears it, it's going to smell more feminine, more masculine, but I love it on me. So that is all. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to see more fragrance reviews, definitely comment down below. I'll make sure to link the exact product down in the description box below. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, definitely leave them down in the comment box below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.